follow here. And next, let's go into make a sun charm. Thank you. The sun charm, how to do? Before we make it, you can use a wire here to measure how long is the wire length around the beads. So put by a thin wire, then you go around it. Go around here like this. Then you know the length around the beads. Okay, so then take out. Okay, so you measure. It's about 3.5. Yeah, because we use the thick wire, it will become the space bigger. So you need to put at 3.5 centimeter, near 1 inch. Then let's go. Here we will cut the wire short. Yeah, this way. Here. This. Let's cut it separately, short. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can put more piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces of the wire and the wire here. Then we start to wrap by the wire 0.4. Oh no, not 0.4. We need 0.6. Why use 0.6 is to make the sun not easy out of shape. Okay. Cut about 50 centimeter. Then let's go. Wrap it here. Beginning. Tight. Okay, 1. And here you can wrap 2. Okay. Wrap 2, then wrap the. If you want to wrap it random, you can wrap it 4. Actually, it's just the different lengths that you can. Okay, and here. Wrap 6. Here. This way. Tight, make it neat. Okay. Then wrap here, bottom. Okay. And wrap the 2 here. Here. This one. Then you can move away, or if you want to continue, it can be continue here. This. One. Here. It's wrap up. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. And we can wrap 2 times. Okay, then wrap again the 2 and wrap the wire 3. If you don't have the wire, this you can use a thick wire, just the purpose to make the piece the top longer. Okay. Here. This one. And this one. So here and one more, and wrap the piece of the two. Okay, then wrap again this way, and wrap the small. This wire here I use actually as a tool to make it the how to see, like the way to make it neat. Okay, then here we can take take it a random sun design here, and this way and this way. Okay. Hey Dora, happy to see you. If some friends you want to get the wire, you can get it here. We are a shop specialized in sell the wire, and it's non-tannish. Even you go shower, go swimming, the color will not be fade. Here. Actually, if you don't have the wire, you can do it. Okay. Use the wire is help it easy to wrap. If you use a plier to do, sometimes cannot make it neat. Here. 0.6 wrap it on the 1 millimeter. Here. So I just make each piece different way, different lengths. Here. Then if I want to make this one the piece longer, okay, here, then a bit longer, and here, and the tight, then again wrap 1, wrap 2. So it come like this. We need to continue. Yeah, continue to wrap more piece. Here, wrap, then wrap, and wrap. and then again this way, and the wrapper, and the wrapper. So let's see how long. Everyday maker, so it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's a strong hand now. It's a steel here hand now. Everyday maker, my hand almost like a steel hand. Come the wire and the way wrapper. The wrapper here. Fold it. Here. Wrapper. And the wrapper. And the wrapper. Okay, let's see the length. It's 3 centimeter. So we need to make a little bit more. Okay. Tight. Wrap. And the wrap. And the wrap. Okay. Almost finish. Okay, we're almost done. So it's here. Then what we need to do is cut away this wire at the beginning. Then we put our beads. Here the beads. I want to change another one. This one not so nice. I change to use this. Okay, here. Bend it the wire. Around it. Here. Then the extra wire, let's go into tight. Here. tight it. Fold. Tight. Okay. So cut it. And it's a sun charm that we made. We can wrap a loop at this part. Yes, and then we can also fold this piece a little bit like this. You can fold it and the top here this way. This way. Fold, fold. Here. Fold, fold. So it's come like this. Finish the charm. Done. So got it. I think this design I have a tutorial. Yeah. The back. Here's the back, and the front is this way. Yeah.